Hi guys, we are about to cross the Puente de las Americas, the bridge that is over the Panama Canal.
We will cross the canal
In 6-7 kilometers. There is one bridge north of the city and one bridge south of the city. We will cross the historical bridge south of the city of Panama. One is Puente Centenario, that is new, was built in 2004. And the other one, the one that we are crossing today in 5 minutes, is Puente Balboa, Puente de las Americas. It's the oldest one, built in 1964. We are on the Pan American Highway, on highway number 1, Carretera Panamericana. Very excited. We crossed 7 borders in less than 1 month. Tomorrow we have the inspection. The car is not 100%, as we mentioned yesterday.
This is the famous Canal de Panama, where all the boats
And this is the Puente de las Americas.
and you can spot the city down there, the skyline.
The skyline of Panama City.
How's it going, beautiful people? We are here in Panama. We parked just after the bridge, the Centenary Bridge.
No, the other one.
The other one.
The Puente de las Americas.
Puente de las Americas. So as you can see,
Or Balboa Bridge.
or Balboa Bridge is that one over there.
Yes. And we met Damiano. He's an Italian guy that is living here since 6 years now.
He runs a hostel.
He has a beautiful, beautiful vehicle.
Ta-da-da-da. There, not right now. He's talking. He's with the guy with the red.
He said, I'm not a video guy, so you can do whatever you want, but not with me in the video.
Make the tour of my expedition vehicle, but don't ask me to be in the video.
I would like to start with this. So, this is not a Jeep, it's a Land Rover.
Okay, there is a big fight between Land Rover people and Jeep people, if you may know. So let's check
it out.
As you can see here, you have your bed. Damiano told us that it becomes
You can
a
fold
full
it down.
bed. He has the fridge there, all the storage, the cabinets here, a few lights. You can open that window.
He converted everything by himself together with a friend, a guy from Venezuela. Help him out with the food stuff. He's trying to convince us to take this vehicle down to Argentina to live Lucky LeAw here.
It would be amazing, but
even because with this vehicle here is a diesel, so you can make how many kilometers?
He told us that with $50 he drive 800 kilometers.
Not exactly like us.
$15 or 50?
50.
I don't remember, but a crazy stuff. It's like a 2.9 diesel, and he's saying that he can make a lot of kilometers with it.
I don't know how to close this.
So to close this, you just close it. It's a little bit hard because the wheel is on there. So here you can open this window. It's really easy. I love this sticker. Snorkel. I love also what he wrote here. One life, leave it. The winch, extra lights. Up here, solar panels. Here is the driving seat.
is the shower as well. If you
So
want a
he has the
shower.
fridge. He has 2 batteries. There is
Inverter.
70 liters.
70 liters water.
Water with a pump. He hook up the shower up there, and he can take showers. Has a few solar panels. Has a huge tent here. I think this car is amazing. The radio up there. Cool, really
Cool, really cool. Well done.
Next time.
Next adventure. What do you think, guys? Should we remain with Lucky LeAw?
Do you think it's better this one or this one? This one or this one? Let us know in the comments which one would you love.
Yeah, let us know in the comment
more.
which one do you love more. Which one would you take on an adventure with you? There is another vehicle here,
If you
completely
want.
different.
From Argentina, we see a lot of times people with combi doing this with the engine. We don't know why. We also need to do a lot of stuff with our engine.
Ciao Melissa.
Melissa, Emilio y Melissa de Argentina. So they are traveling with this combi
Yeah.
since 3 years.
They're traveling together since Ecuador, and now they're
Here in Panama.
living.
I love the color.
A la vida hay que hacerle el amor.
In the life you have to make love, right, Sara?
Yes, and today is perfect. Today is a perfect day because every day is a perfect day. Even if the flywheel is not starting, even if you have problem with your propane tanks, even if it's not the best day ever, today is the perfect day.
We love to meet people. They have solar panels, they have water here to take the shower really easy. It gets hot with the sun. And I love it looks like all rusty.
80.
Yeah, we have to put one of these on ours because
With 50.
no, 50 no, 80 it's okay. It's the maximum we go, 80. Otherwise it gets too expensive with fuel and dangerous as well. A piece of our flywheel is broken, so when the pinion of the starter goes in that gap, in that space where it's broken, the engine will not start. So what we have to do is we just move manually the engine like this, a little bit forward, so the pinion gets out of that missing part of the flywheel, and the engine will start like this. But since
Everything's okay.
if we do it, but if we have to ship the car and nobody knows about this,
And we need to explain to the guys at the harbor, at the port, how to do this. Probably they will say, yes, I will do this, but then
or
if it
probably they
happens-
will say, no, we will not ship your car because it's not working.
And this is not happening every time.
We are really stressed about this. We hope that
And we ask several mechanics, can you order the piece for us? But today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, we have to check, and we need to just go to Cologne on Tuesday morning at 9 a.m.
to give the truck.
Give the truck, the keys of the truck.
The mechanic said that it will take 2 days just to take off the parts and then order the parts, and it will take at least 1 or 2 weeks to get the parts here to fix the problem. So that is crazy. It's impossible for us because next week we are shipping the car. Sara, say again what you're doing.
I'm checking all the documents for tomorrow, for the inspection. Morning. It's 5 a.m. and we are going to make the inspection for the truck. We will see you soon.